Well, this is the brand new Range Rover 2022, I believe, that just came out. The only thing that changes this year is the back side. It's totally redesigned from the one it has the previous one, but the interior is kind of same, but this time they have this split one and both are powered. So if you just push buttons, it's gonna open it for you. And I believe they have this is the picnic table. You can fold it this way and put like pillows here, and yeah, you have some storage under there, and this way you can use it like some tables, and there is straps to hold on stuff. And again, it's power operated. And the new design that came this year is this flush handles, and when you're driving or when you lock them, they just goes inside. So let me go and show you the interior of this one. Oh, this is the right hand drive one. So here you have leathers in the doors, memory buttons, nothing changed. The door handle changed and door handle went a bit far away. They have the Mediterranean signature. They have this Rolls-Royce stripe carpets. This is the Range Rover SV version. It has this tan leather with white contrast. I mean, seriously, white in a car. Okay, so let me jump from the passenger driver side from here. The steering wheel is new now. We have a new digital cluster this time, and they used to be different types of buttons. Now I don't think so, they are different now. Yeah, they have this map, they have the dial. If you want the dial, you can have the dial. Okay, the dials are also new now. So they have paddle shifters also, like you have the lights. Then they have taken the gear selector again, because I think all the customers were complaining about that. You have the start and stop button here, and you just turn it off. And we have, this is the mode control of the off-roading. So if this is put it auto, it just goes flush with the center console. You don't have to hackle with it. And if you want, you can just change it to comfort, eco, then dynamic, grass, gravel, snow, mud, ruts, and sand, rock crawl, weight. And this is the configurable, how you want to configure the whole terrain or something. It has the new screen also. I don't think it tells, but the new screen design is so much posh, and it really gives that the Range Rover is a luxurious car or luxury brand. And yeah, the whole screen is in a whole new level. Like if this is the one that comes out, if I just want to show you that all these designs of the whole center screen is on another new level that you don't get from other brands. Like all these designs, how the infotainment is set up is on a total new level. Like you see here, we have these angles of in which angles your car will be when you will be off-roading. Then you have wheel info, like electronically adjustable locking differentials here. You can then weight sensing, you can see how much water depth you can go inside. And then terrain, you can go into terrain, that's easy. Then again, if I come out, it's like wheel info, weight sensing, energy impact, driving style. Yeah, the overall package looks like it came from somewhere you shouldn't be asking for. So yeah, the whole new design from outside, I don't know if I like it, but the inside is really nice and something that needs to be changed by the time. You have like, this is the down one and this is the upper one. You have these two storage here and it just pops back into. You have these vents that flushed inside, so you don't have to worry about. You have this push dials. AC just turned on, so let me turn it off. So yeah, this is just if you want to change the law, and then if I push it, then I can change the temperature, I believe. So yeah, again I'm turning it off. It doesn't have the buttons though, but still we have this button for volume control. That is the best thing. So yeah, everything is functional. It's not like a prototype, it just came. So we have this storage here, and again there is another storage that just fulfilled my whole hand, as you can see. So yeah, there you go. And the center console, you have this place. I don't see, this is the wireless charging area, but you have this cooling box here that's quite big. You can fit like 1 liter of bottles here. There you go. You have this handrest, you can adjust them and then just screw it back, so it's gonna hold it there. We have it. So the back side is, this is the autobiography version, I believe. We have these two individual seats with individual tables here. I don't know why it doesn't hold. We have the same touch screen, we have in the front. So this one is so nice, and the middle one is also nice.
The TV.
It just goes back in. There you go.
Can I try the thing?
So it flush inside when I press it. Supposed to be what's like fridge in the middle, but they don't have. Yeah, but this is quite nice. Like if you just press it, the table just comes up for me. There you go. Yeah, that's all.